How to buy a gift card on Eneba. In this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to purchase any gift cards available using Eneba app. So as you can see, I'm currently using the web version of Eneba, but if you're going to be using the application version via your mobile device, actual process is going to be the same. So once you're here, all you have to do is to go straight into Steam gift cards, or you can go to Game e-cards or e-gift cards. But on this video, let's just go into Steam gift cards first. So once you're here, you will be given out a lot of options and what specific amount that you would like to purchase when it comes to gift cards. But on your left side, you can go ahead and change the type if it's either for gaming cards or other options right here for Roblox, Camilna, and so on and so forth. And you can also change the country or region where that game is coming from or where you would like to purchase that gift card. Now next, say for example, you would like to have this. Just simply click this option here that says add to cart. And then once it is successfully added into your cart, simply choose on continue shopping or view your cart. And this is where you will be adding your payment method. Proceed on checkout and that's it. That is how you buy a gift card on Eneba.